On April 27, 2013, a group of peace activists, which included Tibetan monks from Emory University, walked in Atlanta's MM Park Festival Parade. Their hope? To raise awareness of not only intolerable Chinese government policies within Tibet, but also oppressive policies which shadow the daily lives of all of China's citizens. With their Tibetan national flags waving and held high, the walkers received applause and shouts of approval from spectators. It was a wonderful happenstance that U.S. Congressman John Lewis paraded behind these peace activists. The colorful display of the flags must have left an indelible impression with the congressman, who himself has a lifelong history of defending human rights for all, and a congressional record supporting religious and cultural freedom for the people of Tibet.
Congressman Lewis supports Tibet. Yes.
So how do you feel about participating in this parade?
Yeah, I'm very happy. So, we did a very good job. So all, people know, they said, to be free Tibet, it's, kind of for us, support for us. So I'm really happy, today,
So what's happening in Tibet?
A lot of people, they protest to the Chinese government because they don't have, religious freedom, they don't have, speech freedom, so they have to learn Chinese, but they cannot, learn Tibetan, so that's why they protest in Chinese government. So, now the people in Tibet, they're very suffering, so, we have to, support, people who are in Tibet, so, yeah.
How do you feel about being here today?
Yeah, I'm really happy today. I've been really happy today.
And why did you do this?
Because I'm trying to people more awareness what's going on inside Tibet.
I feel really good. I'm really happy with how many people seem to know about the Tibetan issue and how many said free Tibet or clapped or expressed their support. It was really good.
So would you do it again?
I am planning on trying to organize more people to come out next year. Okay. Yeah, it would be great.
Okay. Thank you.
Really amazing. It's unbelievable. A lot of people, and not only we preparing, we also people also know about the Tibet issue. It's really nice. And nice weather, and we met the congressman, John Lewis. It's really nice, and he gave me the handshake, and then he told me so he is going to see that His Holiness Dalai Lama in New Orleans, and then he wanted to talk about the Tibet issue. It's really nice news. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Wow, today was like a really great day, which was unbelievable, I think. And I didn't expect it like this. The event would be such a big one. Lots of people from different, parts of the town. And you see lots of, peoples with different ideas, concepts coming up. And we were here for some cause, that is for the Tibetan cause. And it's about the self-immolation. There are lots of issues that we can talk about, but today the main theme was free Tibet. And that was amazing. I think that even in the crowds also I've noticed people knowing our flags, because we were not with any symbols or words or anything, but still then people recognize this flag. So this is some kind of great impact on my mind. This is what I feel, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
I feel really great. Lots of people here, and as a Tibetan, I took part in this MM Park parade. I just take my Tibetan national flag. Just feel really proud. I met John Lewis today, and It's really great. Like most people are supporting us, and most people, many people know what Tibet is and what's going on in Tibet. It's really, really good.
What would you like to say to the American people?
Just support us, and thank you for your support till today, and keep supporting us. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Other people.
You want a what?
Yeah, this is my heart.
This is your heart?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Yeah, this is my flag. This is my national flag. This is my heart.
It's
this
your
is my
heart.
country.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So why are you here today?
Yeah, so the other people don't know what's the Tibetan. So I just want to show them the Tibetan flag,